Hey guys, today I just need to do a quick speech because is it guys if it is it okay if you guys give me like a really good skin from the not it doesn't have to be really good, but I just want a skin from the item shop, so like an emote or something. So yeah, I don't really care what it is, but I just need something. So yeah, let's get into the video. What's up guys, today I'm going to be playing Fortnite Battle Royale. I'm going to be playing Team Rumble, and yeah. So there's not really that, actually, wait, this skin's back? Wait, this skin is back? No way. Oh, okay, starting the game. So this is the LTM. Hey guys, this might sound a little funny to you, but I don't have any wins yet. Only LTM wins. So guys, I hope you don't laugh at me, cause I try it so hard every single day. So yeah, guys, please don't laugh. Cause okay, this might sound funny to you as well. I actually don't care if you like laugh a little bit, but I'm going to. So what was I supposed to say? Oh yeah, is it so like? Okay, I forgot. Doesn't matter. Is that? Wait, what is this place called? Okay, I don't think I ever been to this place before, but I know it's not new. I can't. Oh my god. Because I saw this, but I've just never been here before. Okay, chest. Very good. Okay. Wait. Let's just get rid of those. Get my bowler. Oh, wait. Shotgun. It's been a long... But why am I getting shotgun shells? This is starting to get weirder and weirder. Okay, I'm just... Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I finally know how to use the bowler properly. Oh, no, I don't want to fall. Okay. Wait, what happens if I go in a geyser with this? No. So just get in. Holy cow! No way. Okay. Oh crap. That could have been so cool. Sizzle and puff. No, please. Okay, let's get in disguise. You can travel pretty far with this. Not lying. Holy cow! No! Wait, what? So. Wait, what? Oh my god. What's the whole Oh, I see a purple weapon right here. Oh, yes. And it's exactly the thing I need. No way. What a coincidence. Wait, why is my game so laggy? Wait. Oh, for a second I thought that was my friend that I called him just all the time. Oh, that scared me. I can't hear anything, that's why. Because I can only talk into the mic, I can't hear anything. But you guys can right now. Okay. Person. Seriously? Seriously! Gosh. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Why is this going fast? I hate it when this happens. Okay, finally. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Wait. What? Why? It takes too long. Seriously. Finally, I'm back. Okay. Seriously, idiots. That was easy. Yes! 2 quick challenge.